Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic carbide tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time, and always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, undo the 5 screws securing the wireless pad. Next, disconnect the battery connector and the wireless pad connector. And now, gently pry the wireless pad from the body. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. First, remove the bottom cover by undoing 5 screws. Next, remove the main flex cable by disconnecting from both ends. Next, disconnect the signal flex from both ends and fold the cable to 90 degrees. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the logic board and then fold the cable. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. First, use a plastic carbide tool to loosen the glue under the battery. If it's hard to remove, apply some heat to loosen the adhesive. Use a heat gun for the heating process. Please do not heat if the battery is swollen. Next, gently lift and pull out the battery with a pry tool. This process will take time. Next, place the new battery with the adhesive. Next, fasten the LCD plug to the logic board. Next, secure the antenna flex from both ends. Next, place and secure the main flex from both ends. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 5 screws. Next, place and secure the wireless pad by adding 5 screws on the plug. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.